In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept or block unknown senders in Google Chat. If you ever see a message from someone you don't recognize in Google Chat, don't worry. There's a simple built-in way to review it safely and decide what to do next. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you know exactly where to look and how to respond. First, open Google Chat. You can do this in your web browser at chat.google.com or by opening the Chat app. Make sure you're signed in to the right account so you're looking at the correct workspace. Next, look to the left sidebar for the Direct Messages section. This is where your one-to-one and small group conversations live. We'll focus here because new messages from people outside your usual contacts will appear in this area. Now, scan that Direct Messages list for any chats marked as an unknown sender. Google Chat typically flags these so you can spot them quickly. You may see a short notice indicating the sender isn't in your contacts, or that it's a message request. Take a moment to check the preview text so you have a sense of who's reaching out and why. Go ahead and open the conversation by clicking it. This lets you see the initial message without committing to anything yet. Read it carefully. Legitimate messages are usually clear about the context, like a project, a meeting, or a mutual connection, while vague or pushy messages deserve extra caution. When you're ready to choose, you'll see two options: accept or block. Click Accept if you recognize the context and want to continue. Accepting adds the conversation to your main chat list and allows ongoing messages. Click Block if the message is unsolicited, irrelevant, or feels suspicious. Blocking stops that sender from contacting you in chat and helps keep your inbox clean. If you accept the message, the chat immediately moves into your inbox under Direct Messages, just like any other conversation. From there, you can reply, share files, or continue the discussion as you normally would. That's the complete flow. Open Google Chat, check Direct Messages, look for unknown senders, open the conversation, and choose Accept or Block. Taking a few extra seconds to review the message first gives you control over what gets into your inbox while keeping you safe and organized. Thanks for watching. And now you know exactly how to manage unknown senders in Google Chat with confidence.